What's up, Bodyweight Warriors?
What is up, my Bodyweight Warriors, and welcome back. If you couldn't tell from the title of the video, I'm in the beautiful land of Greece, Eos previously, and currently Santorini. By the way, I haven't been to Greece, incredible place, beautiful weather, beautiful food, would highly recommend it. While I've been here, I have done a little bit of training. I've been ruining some views with some handstands. Oh, you stood in front of my camera. Oh shit. And I thought I would film it and make it into a video for you to watch. Before that starts, just to let you know that I am hosting a workshop in London this July with my man Ulrich. So we're going to be doing a handstand and bodyweight skills workshop. We're going to be focusing on all of the fundamentals of the handstand, as well as some more advanced pressing and one-arm handstand prep. For the bodyweight skills side of things, we're going to be focusing on those four main planche, front lever, handstand push-up, one-arm chin-up. We're going to be going through all the progressions and some very unique progressions that I use with clients, as well as some programming and program design for you. But anyway, I'll link that down below if you want to join us. But apart from that, on to the video.
Afraid won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Yeah.